Hello, welcome to the It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn our touch and delay screen time back to default. Where to find this option? We have to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in accessibility options we have interaction and dexterity. In here, touch and hold delay is now set up as 2.45 seconds, so it's quite a long time. Let's change it back to the default. To change this option, we have to go in this menu and we can select from a few options. By the default, it should be half a second. No need to save, just back out from this menu, and now we have our default settings without resetting all the phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.